The world was stunned by a single grainy satellite photo leaked to a German newspaper. Two figures, Canada's Prime Minister and Denmark's, shook hands on a remote icy fjord in Greenland. No official trip, no press conference, just a secret meeting under the Arctic sky. Within hours, headlines blared. Secret Arctic Summit. Canada and Denmark forge unprecedented rare earth alliance. Suddenly, the world's attention shifted north. What was this about? Not fishing rights or borders, but something far more vital: rare earth elements. Sources confirmed. Canada and Denmark, representing Greenland, had signed a landmark agreement. The goal? Build a new, powerful supply chain for rare earths, crucial for everything from smartphones to fighter jets. This wasn't just trade. It was a declaration of technological independence. The stark Greenland landscape symbolized a pact to reshape the future. For decades, one nation controlled these minerals. Now, that dominance faced its biggest challenge in a generation. The handshake marked a tectonic shift in global power, with repercussions in every major capital. The secrecy underscored the stakes. This was urgent national and international security. The world of technology, green energy, and defense was about to change. The Arctic Handshake was the first move in a new great game. The implications? Immense opportunity and significant risk for the global community. This isn't just a business deal, it's a strategic pact for security and independence. Western nations have long depended on a single source for rare earths, a dangerous vulnerability. The new alliance aims to build a resilient, mine-to-magnet supply chain. It starts with mining in Canada and Greenland, then refining, and finally manufacturing high-tech components. By controlling every step, the alliance ensures rare earths can't be used as political weapons. Canada brings vast, stable mineral reserves and mining expertise. Denmark connects to Greenland's huge untapped deposits and advanced engineering. Together, they form a powerful combination of resources and know-how. This synergy could transform the global market. In today's world, controlling critical resources means economic and military strength. The alliance is a bold statement. Democracies will secure their own future. They're not just diversifying, they're creating a new center of gravity for critical minerals. The future of technology will be built on cooperation, not dependency. Rare earth elements, 17 metals, are the vitamins of modern technology. They're not truly rare, but hard to mine economically. Their unique properties make them essential for hundreds of high-tech applications. Your smartphone's colors, its vibration, your laptop, TV, and headphones all rely on rare earths. They're in fiber optic cables, hard drives, and the backbone of our digital world. Rare earths are also at the heart of the green energy revolution. Wind turbines and electric vehicles depend on powerful magnets made from these elements. As we move away from fossil fuels, demand for rare earths will soar. Securing supply is both an economic and environmental imperative. They're also critical for national security. Guidance systems, radar, and advanced military tech all depend on them. Without a reliable supply, defense capabilities are at risk. That's why rare earths are now top national priorities worldwide. For decades, China has built a near-total monopoly over rare earths. Through state-driven strategy, subsidies, and lax regulations, China undercut global competitors. By the 2000s, it controlled almost the entire supply chain, especially the complex refining process. Today, China processes nearly 90% of the world's rare earths, wielding immense leverage. In 2010, China cut off exports to Japan, causing global panic and price spikes. This exposed the West's vulnerability. Its tech and defense sectors depend on Beijing's decisions. The threat of embargo is a powerful geopolitical weapon. Finding secure alternatives is now a critical mission to rebalance global power. The alliance leverages the vast, untapped mineral wealth of Canada and Greenland. Canada's northern territories hold significant rare earth deposits, especially heavy rare earths vital for defense. Greenland, with projects like Kvanefjeld, is a geological treasure chest. Denmark provides the political and financial framework, plus engineering expertise. The vision, a fully integrated, transparent supply chain, mined and processed under strict environmental standards. This northern powerhouse aims to move up the value chain, producing finished products like permanent magnets. The result? A reliable, secure source of rare earths for Western industries. The Alliance's plan is to build a clean, resilient rare earth ecosystem from scratch. New mines in Canada and Greenland will use advanced, low-impact technology. Processing is the toughest step, so the Alliance will invest in clean, innovative facilities in Canada. These plants will avoid toxic byproducts, setting a new global standard for responsible refining. The final stage manufacturing high-value products like neodymium iron boron magnets in North America. This integrated mine-to-magnet model closes the supply chain gap. Every stage, from ore to finished magnet, will be secure and transparent. Western industries will finally have supply chain certainty. It's a long-term vision, demanding investment and political will. But it could fundamentally reshape the technological landscape. The Alliance faces a major challenge, protecting the Arctic's fragile environment. Rare earth mining has a history of pollution, radioactive waste, toxic tailings. The Alliance must set a new benchmark for sustainable mining, going beyond regulations. Indigenous communities' consent and partnership are essential for success. Local populations must share in the benefits and have their cultural ties respected. New technology is key. Bio-leaching, water recycling, and cleaner processing methods. Rigorous environmental standards will slow progress, but ensure projects are done right. Navigating regulations and building trust will be complex, but vital. The Alliance's success will be measured by its environmental footprint as much as its output. Balancing urgency with responsibility is the only way forward. A Canada-Denmark supply chain will stabilize a volatile market and break the monopoly. Manufacturers will gain reliable access, encouraging investment and innovation. The green energy transition will accelerate, with secure magnets for wind and EVs. Western nations can expand renewables without relying on rivals. Geopolitically, the Alliance reduces China's leverage and strengthens democracies. Consumers benefit too, more stable prices, and ethical, clean sourcing. The Alliance proves cooperation can create powerful alternatives to authoritarian control. Our technology's future can be clean, ethical, and secure. The Alliance's journey is just beginning, and the challenges are real. Massive investment is needed. Billions for mines, processing, and manufacturing. Government support and private capital must work together to compete with state-backed rivals. Rebuilding a skilled workforce is critical. New training programs are needed. Policy and regulatory alignment across Canada, Denmark, and Greenland is essential. International cooperation will help set standards and build demand for ethical materials. Despite the hurdles, the Alliance is a bold response to strategic vulnerabilities. The rewards, a stable market, faster green transition, and greater security for democracies. The world will watch key developments, investment, regulatory progress, and allied commitments. This Arctic handshake could mark the dawn of a new era. The power to build the future may soon be more widely and securely shared.